In this video, I would like to show you how to install an application written in JavaFX on a mobile with Android. I connect it to my computer using a USB cable. I have Android with version 4.4.2. In the previous video, I created default applications using the Gluon plugin for Eclipse. Two applications, multi-view and single view. Each application has two projects, one parent and one sub-project. And I also showed that it is possible to run them on desktop using a gradle task run. So this is running on desktop. And this time I'm going to install it on my mobile. First of all, what I did, I changed in Android manifest in this path source Android the package name, because by default both applications have the same package name, and this way if you install them they rewrite each other. So I set the name of package of this application to multi-view, and for the other application I changed the name to single view. The other thing is that it's necessary to have Android SDK installed. I installed Android Studio, which also installs Android SDK, and I set the environment variable on my system, Windows, to this path where I have where the Android Studio installs Android SDK. On Linux and Mac OS it could be a bit different. Okay, and once I have it, I can use a gradle task to install it on my mobile. This time the task is Gluon mobile Android install. When you run it, it takes about 2 minutes to install. So I already installed it before, so that we can save time. The build creates APK in this directory build JavaFX ports Android, and for the other application in a similar way also, and installs them on the mobile. I have here my mobile. So this is not an emulator, but this is mobile, and this is a mirror of the screen of the mobile. And these are the applications that I just installed. So we can try to run them. So this is the single view. And you can see that they have the same look and feel as on the desktop. Okay, let's try the multi-view. Multi-view is a bit different. If you noticed, one option is missing, the quit, because in the program there is condition that the quit is visible only on desktop. So here on mobile it is not visible. But otherwise it is completely the same and it is working. So that's all what I wanted to show in this video. I hope it helped you a bit. If you want to try it, if you have any questions and comments, you can leave it below the video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.